Imagine this. It's the late 19th century, and you're invited to an international winter gathering, a celebration bringing together families, travellers, and dignitaries from across the globe. This year, the gathering is held at a grand hall, a city bustling with people from many cultures and backgrounds, each bringing their unique winter traditions to share. As the festivities begin, guests from around the world light candles, sing songs, share festive foods, and exchange meaningful stories. Let's set the scene here. Picture the ornate hall, decorated in ways that honour the many cultures of those attending. Wreaths and garlands may adorn one wall, while another corner glows with oil lamps and candles. The tables are filled with dishes from various regions and scents of spices, baked good, and warming teas filling the air. Around you, guests wear their finest attire, and some in traditional clothing, sharing their customs with pride. You are one of the younger guests, perhaps a budding scholar, curious apprentice, or a family member accompanying a parent. As you move through the crowd, you meet people from the different lands, each with their own winter tradition. They might tell you stories of how they celebrate the season back home, share treats that hold cultural significance, or teach you a game or song that's part of their festivities. How will you explore all the different winter traditions? Take in the diversity of the celebration as you interact with people from all over the world. A family from Northern Europe shows you how to make woven ornaments from straw, explaining their symbol for warmth and light. A guest from East Asia, sharing traditions, foods eaten during the winter solstice. Perhaps sharing tales about religious celebrations, talking about the importance of them for their family. A group from the Middle East shares sweets and tells you about the customs that focus on kindness and hospitality around Eid. A storyteller from Africa shares tales by the fire, recounting stories passed down through generations that celebrate resilience and return of the sun. As the celebrations go on, do you begin to see similarities in the traditions, even though they come from different cultures? As you listen, taste and learn, perhaps you gain a new perspective on the season's meaning and what connects people, no matter where they're from or how they celebrate. Describe the people you meet and the holiday traditions they share with you. What customs, foods, or stories have an impression on you? How does this experience broaden your understanding of the season and the way different cultures honour it? What memories or connections will you take from this gathering? The Winter Gathering is a time of learning, respect, and celebration, where each story and tradition offers insights into the diverse ways people celebrate the season. As the night concludes, you realise that you've gained more than just new knowledge. You've made friendships and connections that will stay with you. And as always, remember, happy writing and happy holidays.